Hello everyone, thanks for watching the video. Today we are going to cover a painting using watercolor. Took the watercolor paper and taped it. This is the masking tape we use. This is really good. It has a lot of advantage to do this. This is the watercolor I use. This is cute one. The small one I used to take it wherever I go. It's really a nice one. Let's start with this. We are going to draw the branch and make it uneven lines. Okay. Let me draw the underline. And I'm going to draw this leaf. It's a cartoon art, so we don't need to worry about much realistic. Just a cartoon art, just for kids, right? So I just covered with the simple cartoon art. Right now I'm just drawing the leg of the bird. I'm drawing this bird leg first to know the measurements. So I'm just taking the another dots in the head. So I'm just connecting the lower body and the head. So these will help to make the correct proportion, because otherwise maybe the bird may be small or big. I don't want to do that, because based on the branch I need to draw the bird, right? So that's why I just put the leg, then I started from the top. I draw two wings now, and eyes just two dot is fine. And this is the mouth, just small line at the bottom. I'm just drawing the leg. This is like kind of the Christmas stuff. Just adding some more property here. A small tie. Good practice to tape that watercolor paper when you draw, because there are many reasons. One is it will keep the paper on place. We don't need to move here and there. And if you paint the background, then it won't disturb the corners. So that's the another reason. And you always need to leave some space in the corner, so that when you frame it, it will be perfect. So nicely touch the color. Mostly we need to go with the water flow. So most of the paintings we used to draw with whole paint, right? In this case, little bit of color and take a lot of water and mix it well. Just do the wash. And make sure you're not covering all the places. Because it won't give the texture. So maybe the one part of side we need to cover the paint. So even you see here, the one part left side I'm covering the dark color, and the right side I just leave it as white. That will give a different texture. If you painted a lot of paints, you can easily take it off. Just wash your dress, make it dry, and remove the colors. That's it. The white color, right? I just touch the water little bit, and just merge the color from the darkened side, so it will give the good texture. Now I go with the branch. Even I'm not painting the full branch, just one side of branch I'm painting with brown color. Please make sure you always mix the paint with a little bit of water and then use it in paper. Don't take it directly from the palette. And I am taking the dry brush, little bit of water, and just filling up the gaps. I'm not touching any color, just filling up the gaps with the same water, so it will automatically merge the brown color and see here I missed the colors. Some colors just came out, so I'm just taking out. Make sure you wash the brush well, make it dry, and remove the paint. Okay, here's the final one. So we always needs to, this kind of painting, right, so we always needs to fill with the lines. You can use the black gel pen, but I'm using the ball pen, but ball pen is not preferred. Maybe next time I will try with the gel pen, because if we use the gel pen we don't need to draw multiple layers, just one line will enough. So let me draw this. Make it dark. Sketch is not preferred because we are using watercolor, right, so it will spread the black color, so I don't want to use the sketch. Use the black gel pen, that is more preferable. You don't spread that much. This white spot is very important. This white spot will help to show this is not the flat one, this is a spherical, right? So it's always fun to create something by ourselves and present it to someone, right? Please try and post your work in comment. I'm really happy to see those comments, and present to your friends or your family members. Hope you guys enjoy and enjoy the art. Thank you for watching.